I might say где он. On на работе. And again, it's not на работу, it's already on на работе. He's at work, on на работе. And don't forget, if you want to say I'm at home, it's a little bit different. It's я дома. It's always like that. And I keep reminding you because it's very useful, this word дома, at home. So я дома, but on на работе. They use a preposition in all other cases. You can see that. And that's actually quite similar to English, to be honest. But, we say go to the station, go to the shops, go to the theatre, but go home. No, too. And so I think that that's quite similar to the English. Okay, so use ye if you're stationary. Let's have a look at another example now with mama idiot. Mum is going, mum is walking. Yeah, mama idiot na kuchniu. Mum is going to the kitchen. Yeah, mama idiot na kuchniu. And kuchnia needs na, but all the other rooms need v. Why? I don't know. I don't know, but that's the way it works. Kuchnia is na, all the other ones are v. But if you want to say mum is going to the living room, mama idiot v gostinную. If you want to say my sister is going to the bedroom, moja sestra idiot v spalniu. If you want to say your brother is going to the bathroom, twój brat idiot v wannuju. And notice I use this you, uju. And yeah, this is, you might ask, Dave, why is it uju sometimes and sometimes it's you or just all? Well, it's you all the time here because you remember, like Philosophia, Geographia, they end in a ya, so we change it to a you. Kuchnia ends in a ya, so it changes to a you, kuchniu. Mama idiot na kuchniu. But gostinaya, vannaya, and stolovaya, these words, they're nouns, right? They are a room. But notice that they look like an adjective.
Здравствуйте, Дэйв.
Здравствуйте.
Мы сегодня будем делать упражнения и будем говорить играть в или играть на. Играть во что? В спорт или в игры. Играть в гольф, играть в теннис, в футбол, в хоккей, волейбол, шахматы, карты. Или играть на чем? На музыкальном инструменте. На гитаре, на саксофоне, на трубе, скрипке, флейте, виолончели, пианино.
Хорошо.
Давайте сделаем.
Хорошо. Ну, я вижу две картинки, да, где они играют в футбол и где он играет на гитаре.
Да.
Но один футболисты играют в футбол.
Да.
Хорошо. Так, два хоккеист, да, играет